Thank you very much for that intro. Yes, today I want to make sure everybody knows. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to go over GTL's ancillary products. There's quite a few, so we're just going to go through them quickly, but make sure you all know very much what it is. So the opportunity with GTL gives a lineup of ancillary products available to you through AIM. So here you can see many solutions you can see from hospital indemnity, critical cash, 24-hour accident, precision care. They have many products that can help you with a client that is medically impaired. So as you can see on the slide, that's what this will do for us. This slide kind of just shows the product approvals that GTL has and the states that it's approved in. It's just a quick slide. This is available. There's a PDF that you can download, and we can kind of go over that also a little bit. But at the bottom of this page, I just want to make everybody aware that there are options that are not available when you're talking to clients, and you just need to make sure when you're looking at this slide and the PDF that when you're looking at Washington or whatever, you're going to know what's available and what riders are not available. So I've kind of broken it down 2 states here. There's Nebraska, as you can see across the top, and then also Washington. So with Washington, the hospital indemnity, I've broken down on the bottom of the screen the options that are not available for that product. You can see the pound symbol, the SNF. These options are just not available with the Hospital Indemnity Advantage Plus product. So I just wanted to give a breakdown so you could see kind of what the options they don't have. But if you look at Nebraska, it shows yes across the board. So they just don't have the riders, but the full plan is available. So it's just one of those things we want to make sure you're fully aware before you go out and say, oh yeah, it does have this option. Every state's a little different. Washington may be different. Oregon's a little different. California has their rules, but just be aware all the time. So you're not giving your client an option that is not available, and then they come back and say, well, we thought this was. We're going to go over the tasks, basically, why ancillary products matter. GI creates great opportunities. We're going to go through that. And then basically the big picture, the overall, what GTL offers in this space. Why ancillary products matter. As you can see on the screen, there's some bullet points. I'm kind of not going to go off those. I'm going to read through a little bit of what I feel and their products with GTL. So whether it's GTL's Hospital Indemnity Advantage Plus, their cancer insurance plan, their short-term home health care plan, or even their final expense, they have many products that are designed to stand out in their space throughout their spectrums. So depending on which product it is, what client you have, if they're Med Advantage products, there's a lot of different features that GTL has. First offering valuable coverage and features that valuable coverages with features with carriers that may not have with other carriers. Their claim process is very fast turnaround times. They have the experience of the cutting edge submissions process of their agents and easy access across sell GTL with valuable other products. Basically, Advantage Plus hospital indemnity with the Med Advantage is what I'm talking about with that one. So GI presents, rare opportunities. Advantage Plus gives them a great add-on for AEP. Short-term home health care is a strong seller year-round, no matter when it is. Their accident plans, they work well in all ages and sectors where they are. The big thing is with the growing numbers of seniors and their health impairments as they age, GTL's product lineup fits in many ways for a lot of ages, not just the older ages for seniors. So you can be a little younger and still get great opportunities. Now into the Advantage Plus. I really like this product. It actually is GTL's #1 seller with their product lineup, bar none. It's just been #1 overall. During AEP, this product goes through the roof in sales. Med Advantage has gaps, and so this basically covers copays. It goes through observation stays, so not just if you have to be submitted for 24 hours or more. You don't have to do that. It's basically if you stay in a hospital for, I believe it's 6 hours, this product will start to cover. Ambulance benefits, you can get up to 4 times a year. I believe it's lifetime. I believe it's, I have to look at it for sure, but I believe it's 12 times for a lifetime benefit. So the hospitalization, it covers after 6 hours. The observation is also just only 6 hours. The maximum benefits can be, there's no limit. GTL's hospital indemnity policyholders have already received over 90,000 benefits. We have a couple of clients that have claimed many times on it. There's a restoration of benefits. So if you're healthy, you can actually claim on it more than once. And then, so it's a great product. There's no questions asked about it. It's the seller that you won't want to be without during open enrollment, especially. On this next slide, we're actually going to watch a short video on the Advantage Plus Elite. It's maybe a 2-minute video, but it's consumer friendly. You can send this out to any of your clients. They can watch it. It's just, people see visually a lot more when you're working with them. And so I kind of want to take the time to let you see this video and watch it for what you think it is, but it can be a great opportunity that you can blast out to all of your clients that you're looking to help. So hold on 1 second for me and we'll start this video.
So, you just enrolled for Medicare Advantage health coverage. Great choice. Did you know there's additional coverage you can add to protect you from the out-of-pocket medical expenses you are still responsible for? Help fill any gaps in coverage and strengthen your financial protection with a hospital confinement indemnity insurance policy from Guaranteed Trust Life Insurance Company. Since 2005, GTL's industry-leading hospital indemnity insurance has been helping clients lower or completely eliminate their net out-of-pocket expenses stemming from Medicare Advantage copays and deductibles after a hospitalization event. Coverage is affordable and pays you directly based on your time in the hospital, regardless of any other healthcare coverage you have or where in the U.S. you receive care. Your potential out-of-pocket costs could be for a variety of services, including ambulance trips, outpatient therapy, critical accidents, and more. GTL's hospital indemnity insurance allows you to customize your coverage to help cover these and many others. Let's see a quick example on how it works. Meet Beth. She is 65 years old, and her Medicare Advantage coverage leaves her responsible for a daily hospitalization copay of $300 per day for her first 6 days in the hospital. Knowing she would be responsible for her high copay, her agent helped her customize and apply for a GTL hospital indemnity insurance policy. Beth's new policy provided a restorable 6-day benefit period of $300 per day for less than $25 per month. A few months later, Beth suffered an illness that kept her in the hospital for 6 days. Her GTL hospital indemnity insurance kicked in after the first 6 hours of her stay. Beth received $1,800 directly from GTL for her hospitalization, which she used to completely cover her Medicare Advantage copay. Instead of worrying about how to pay her high copay, Beth could focus on her recovery without a financial setback. You shouldn't have to worry about covering out-of-pocket medical expenses, so now is a great time to think about GTL's hospital indemnity insurance.
Okay, so as you can see with that video, it's a great opportunity for your clients. It's a huge selling point for your clients for you to use. I just wanted to make sure you saw that. I don't know if you've been appointed with us, you have to be fully appointed with us to actually get onto their portal and use this video system. They've got many for all of their products. So this is a great opportunity. I kind of go quick when I'm talking about stuff, but I really get passionate about the stuff I do here. I've been doing it for quite a while, but it means a lot to be able to help clients. If I can help you with your clients, and this is just one way I can do that. And if we can help one client with one piece of business to help you get that done and then grow from there, it's what I'm all about, just helping you grow your business. So now we're going to move on to the critical cash. With this product, AIM and Golden Care actually got together with GTL and created this product called Critical Cash. There was a very big need for a product that had both very good benefits and relaxed underwriting to be able to help people that didn't qualify for traditional long-term care. So it's an ancillary product, but for what it does, it is huge. It gives you $6,000 up to $6,000 a month in benefits. There's no inflation, but it's a diagnosis. So if you're diagnosed, you get the benefits, and it's up to 24 months. So the premiums, great premiums for ages. It's just an all-around good product. And like you can see on the screen, the 432,000 max benefit. That's basically 6,000 a month times 24 times 3. So if you restore this policy fully 3 times, you can get that much in benefits. But let's say you're diagnosed with cancer or heart attack or stroke. If you have a $2,000 benefit for the home care and you have a $4,000 for the facilities, if you're diagnosed with cancer, you're going to get a check for $48,000 up front for that home care base benefit. And then on top of that, you are also going to get the benefits for the facilities. That doesn't mean just because you got that lump sum, you don't get any other benefits. That benefit, just by being diagnosed with a catastrophic thing, you're going to actually get that benefit. And then also, if you need more care, you're going to get that $4,000 a month for the facility on top of that when you need more care. So it doesn't just stop if you get a lump sum, but it also, when it restores, that base benefit becomes a monthly benefit. You can only do the lump sum the first time. I've talked about it many times as I talk to agents on the phone. We go over and over. They have a quick calculator for rates on it. I use it every day. It's kind of a product that you don't even think about. It fits the need. It's never had a rate increase because there's no inflation on it. It's just a great plan overall. It bridges the gap for if you have declines, 100%, you want to try to see if you can get this plan for your clients. There's no questions. You just want to make sure there's about 5 health questions to get this. It's relaxed underwriting, like I said, but it's a great thing if someone has, health issues. I would say possibly apply for this first before you do a traditional plan, just to make sure they get a coverage in place, and then you can go to the long-term care. And if they get that benefit, you can let this go, but then you could also have 2 benefits. So there's a lot of good features for it. Okay, now with the short-term home health care, this is another product that GTO has. Very big player with people that are older clients with health issues that can't qualify for a whole lot. They have a lot of issues. It could be diabetes, could be they've had cancer, they've had surgeries and different things for certain reasons. On this app, there's only 3 questions that they have to answer to qualify for. Basically, if you're cognitive or if you're basically in a facility, and if you're going to have surgery or go into a facility in the next 60 days. Those are pretty much the only questions. Basically, guaranteed issue. This product has great benefits. I talk about it every day. It's another one of those that I want to make sure, that people know this product. If people have health issues and can't afford a whole lot, great product. I mean, the premiums are minimal for what you would get for home care. You can get up to $450 a day in benefits with this plan. And the benefits include home care. You have registered nurses, physical therapists. There's a ton of things that people need to come in and have done just at home. People love to stay at home, and with this product, they can do that. But there's a home health care aid benefit that gives them extra benefits for someone to come in and help them. And it includes a prescription drug benefit up to $600 a year. So that right there can cover basically the premiums that you would pay. You'd be kind of a wash. An average, let's say an age 60-year-old, wanting 300 a day in benefits for home care, your premium could be about 48 to $60, roughly, right in that ballpark. And if you have any prescriptions, as well as I do, as agents and clients, if you have any prescriptions yourself, basically you're going to cover that basically really easy in the year. So you don't have to try to sugarcoat this one or anything. It basically will sell itself, especially if they're health impaired and if they're on a very strict budget with, for premiums. It's a great product. It has sold over and over, and it's just one of those products, like they say, they have a number of ancillary products, guarantee issue products. This one just really covers more ways than you could imagine, and to give some benefit to someone that is, if they're on assistance, if they're short on money, you can never say enough by getting them a policy and getting it enforced, because they have a diabetes that they could not get anything before with any other carrier. GTL has done an amazing job at what they do with their products. We've been working with them for 10 plus years, and I tell you what, I talk to them all the time. I talk to Paul, I talk to Kelly, I talk to Sue, and I mean, it's a daily thing. They know me personally, and they know when I'm calling them, it's about helping an agent with a client. I try to do my best that I can every day for you guys, and it's, if I can help you with anything, please let me do that, and help me do my job of helping you and all the marketers here. We do it a daily basis, and it means a lot to us to be able to help you with your business and help your clients. That's the biggest thing with this stuff. So I just want to make sure everyone knows that. So this video is very similar to the other one. I want to run this one also. So give me a minute, and it goes over the short-term home healthcare product. It's just about 3 minutes, but it's well worth listening to and also use for your clients. So bear with me 1 second.
There's no bed like your own. And if you suffer an illness or have an accident, the last thing you would want to do is recover in an unfamiliar, hectic environment like a hospital or nursing home. Focus on your recovery in the comfort of your own home with short-term home healthcare insurance from Guarantee Trust Life Insurance Company. Think about your family situation. You may be reaching that age where planning for future care is necessary, or maybe your parents are reminding you they don't want to go to a nursing home. How could being unprepared for either yours or your parents' need for care affect your finances and way of life? GTL's short-term home health care insurance is more affordable than most other plan of care policies, and it pays benefits directly to you, regardless of any other insurance you have. Home health care benefits kick in if you suffer a cognitive disability or can't perform 2 of the 6 ADLs, and no hospital stay is required. The base plan consists of 3 main components, and there are 3 different base plans for you to choose from to match the level of coverage you want. With the home health care benefit, your chosen plan pays a benefit for up to 360 payments for a variety of services, including skilled nursing, physical therapy, and general nursing care. With our most comprehensive plan, you can receive up to $162,000 of home health care benefits. With the home health care aid benefit, you can receive a daily benefit for each day you require the services of a home health care aid, depending on your chosen plan, and no hospitalization stay is required. Most likely, you're taking at least 1 prescription medication. With the prescription drug benefit, you can receive benefits for any prescriptions that are filled after the policy is in effect. Just filling your normal prescriptions can help offset the cost of the policy itself. Now let's see how it works. Say you're 65 years old, have the Plan A policy, and take 1 brand name prescription that you refilled 10 times over the year. A GTL short-term home health care insurance policy would pay you a total benefit amount of $250 over those 12 months. With an annual policy premium of $294.45, the net cost of the policy would be less than $4 a month. And this is not even including any home health care benefits you may receive. Policyholders can also have access to Ask Mayo Clinic services 24 hours a day. Receive personalized support and trusted medical guidance for your health-related questions from the experts at Mayo Clinic. Short-term home health care insurance from GTL is flexible and customizable, with a great set of riders for you to choose from. And with only 2 or 3 underwriting questions, you don't have to worry about a long application process or medical exam. So, for a fair premium, wouldn't you rather receive professional care at home? Now is a great time to find out more about GTL's short-term home health care insurance.
Okay, so as you can see, these client videos, they are exactly what something for a client that doesn't really understand the product, and you want to make sure that they can visually see this. ETL has done a great job with their brochures and now also with their videos to to give you the opportunity to send these to your clients, and the clients can watch them. And I tell you what, the sales afterwards, just by watching the video, you're going to close more than 80% just by having them watch that video, because they can see it and they can hear exactly what's going to work for them. It's just another opportunity that GTL gives us. We have a lot of carriers, but GTL with their ancillary products and what they've done, they offer a lot of tools. They have infographics that you can actually put your name on and send out to. So there's a lot of materials that GTL has to give you opportunities to create more sales. But like I said, the Advantage Plus, the sales go through the roof during AEP. You're not going to miss out. You're going to double your sales. If you write Med Advantage, if you're not writing the Advantage Plus to fill the gaps for those copays, you're not doing your clients justice. I mean, you need to make sure that you're giving them all the opportunity to help them fill the needs that they're going to have when they're buying a product. And it doubles your sales. It gives you more commissions, and it's it's easy to do, but you just got to get in front of them, know the products you have, know the materials you have to work with. Great opportunities. I strive to work as hard as I can to make sure that I have all the materials out there for you guys. We all do here at AIM. It's one of those things we do. So I might have been a little clunky at the beginning of this webinar, but I'm very passionate. So I want to make sure you guys all know and are aware of the stuff we have here. So moving on, we have the final expense product. Many people don't even know final expense is available with GTL. They offer it. It's from age 40 to 90. It's on the low and a high end. So or maybe our other carriers don't have them as low or as high. So it's the graded benefit rules. They actually go out to a 3-year on the graded rules. Accidental death inclusion. So there's that for you, and then also the EAP. Very quick process. I mean, it's simple. And GTL has all of their products. You can do EAPs, you can quote, you can do everything right on their portal. They have made it very simple for e-signatures. If you're in front of somebody, you can do the EAP right there and have them sign it. You can do it on a tablet, on a phone. So they have a lot of great opportunities for you to work with your clients and make it simple and make the process easy for you. Okay, the fun part that I like always, show me the money, as Jerry Maguire would say. Show me the money. He's talking on the phone. He knows. Give me some money, for just writing some apps. It's a big thing. You guys like extra money. I'm actually a licensed agent too. I actually got licensed this last year, and I'm actually been writing. So bonus money, if you can get it, it is all about it. And for how easy it is to write this Advantage Plus hospital indemnity plan, if you write 10 apps to 24, you're going to get $20 per application on the products there. The Advantage Plus, the Advantage Plus Elite, the Precision Cancer, the Recover Cash, the Home Care Secure, the short-term home health care. They give you a number of products that you can make money on, extra money, just by doing it on top of your commissions. If you can get to that 25 to 49, you get $40 an application. If you get over 50, it's $60 an application. Just think of how much money you can actually make just by this season, and it goes through December 31st. So you have this whole time to qualify for this. It's not just 1-2 apps, but if you're writing Med Advantage, Med Subs, even short-term home healthcare products, this is such easy money. Let us help you. Let me help you make that extra money. Have Nick help you make extra money. Anthony, Carlos, Mike Anderson. we're all here to help you. We want to make sure that you get the best benefit, and for working hard, we want to make sure you're getting that bonus money. It is huge. So GTL has stepped up and put almost all their products on there just so you can get that bonus money. I just want to make sure you're aware of it. So your action plan, regardless, whoever else you have, GTL, it's huge. Make sure you have that in your portfolio. Get licensed with us. Call us after the webinar. We also make our follow-up calls to make sure you're fully aware and are licensed. You can't actually get the videos. You can't get any bonus money until you're licensed and start writing business. So let us help you do that. The marketers, we can help you with the portal, get you quotes, get you the EFs going. Start dialing today. Salvage the declines. Make sure you are working your thing. If you have declines, you 100% want to go to these products. Get your clients something instead of nothing. Take care of them. That's the biggest thing we're trying to do to help you do that. And so the videos, this just shows you that GTL offers many videos. They have from the hospital indemnity that I showed you today, the short-term home health care. They have a home care secure video, a cancer video, the cancer heart stroke video. They have training videos for agents. You can go on there and watch over all the products they have. Each individual product, they have a webinar that they've done on their portal, just like we have on whyaim.com. We've done webinars on all of their products. I've actually brought Greg Esposito on and done videos with him with webinars. Between Greg and I and everyone here, we just want to make sure you have the best of all worlds. So, with that being said, we have webinars coming up November 17th on the Medicare Center with Carlos Martinez here in our office. He's newly to our office, came up from California, but great person to help you with that. And he's all about it, And then on December 1st, drive into LTC's ancillary products. I believe Nick Flowers is going to be doing that, and he's all about it. Just like I am with this GTL stuff, Anderson with, the long-term care, everyone here is here to help you. If we can do that, that's our job. And the more we can help you, you can understand that I'm passionate about this. You can hear it. I am. And I basically want to help you do the best we can. So give us a call. We will be reaching out. After this webinar, our marketers will be reaching out to you to answer questions, to get you contracted, to actually get you going with GTL and other carriers. It's not just GTL, but we have a full lineup to make sure you have everything you need for your clients. So, they have amazing products. Call us today, call us whenever if you have any questions. But like I said, we will be reaching out to you. And I very much appreciate your time today and listening in. Again, this is Don Erickson, but thank you again from AIM. It means a lot for us to have you as agents. And if we can help you, we've done our job. So have a great day.